my grass. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started with cutting my grass.
I'm the landscape you need to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to...
Okay, so I am headed to get some gas because every time I start my lawnmower, I always run out of gas. So that's where we're headed to right now, Cooper and I. So I will show us getting that, and yeah, so let me put both hands on the wheel so I can drive the right way.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted.
So my grass is so high, guys, because it's been raining so much in Alabama, and then by the time I get home to get ready to cut it at 6, it's either raining again or I don't come straight home. I have something else I have to do. And so it's been a couple of weeks since I actually cut my grass. And mostly it's because of the rain. It's just, I think actually when I cut my grass that day, it had rained the day before. So it was still like damp and nasty, but I knew I had to get it done because it was supposed to rain the next day. So yeah, so don't judge my yard. I know there's a lot of grass that needs to be cut. It's just really high. And also I had a weed eater and it broke, so my dad's supposed to be fixing that for me so I can cut the sides of my house.
You know that I don't wanna feel this way again, so let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Okay, so I have a hat for you guys. I use these when I want to wash my tennis shoes or any type of shoes. I use those big old nets like that, and I put them in there, and then I actually untie my shoelaces. Sometimes I forget to do that. I untie my shoelaces, and then I put them inside that bag, and I drop them in the washing machine. And I usually put towels. I wash some towels with my shoes. And I love this bag because It keeps my shoestrings from getting caught up in all of the other stuff, and it's just so great to use. I think I got this bag from the Dollar Tree. If not the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and it's really cheap. Of course, if I got it from the Dollar Tree, it's $1, and if I got it from Walmart, it's probably like $1 and change. But there's another one sitting on my dryer, if you can see it by that blue basket. I know I got that one from the Dollar Tree, and I wash my bras and stuff in there because it keeps all the straps together and from getting twisted up in all of my other clothes. So those little bags, if you find them, they are great little hacks to wash, just little things so they won't get tied up or, you know, tangled up. So that's just another hack that I had for you guys.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated.
Okay, so my next hack is this, and I'm putting vinegar inside paper towels or on top of paper towels. I'm going to put this on my sink, and it's going to get the white stuff that's all around it. I think it's called calcium. I think it's the calcium buildup. But so I'm going to place those around there, and then I'm also going to get a bag of vinegar and put it on my shower head to clean that really good.
I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter and open a rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. I glide across the ground and over the ocean, and you can't force me down as long as I'm open, like a rose that already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my.
Okay, so this is another hack. I pour pine sol into my toilet brush just so it can have a better smell, and it'll just keep that bathroom smelling fresh. And it's just a simple little trick to do, just to help make your bathroom smell fresh.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all.
it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting, 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 waiting. Waiting, 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 waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. No, 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 I don't mind you asking why I let it go. It's just way too much for my hobby, so I'm laying low.
Okay, so the way I dry my shoes is that I put everything inside the dryer first, and then I hang my shoes on the door. And that may sound a little weird, but I'll show you how I do it. It's really simple and easy, and that's what's so great about those bags. It makes it so simple.
I'm waiting, 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 waiting.
Okay, so I had two hats for you guys right here. I'm getting a dryer sheet out, and instead of using the entire thing, I just split them in half, and I put the other half up and then the other one inside the dryer. My mom actually showed me that hack, and it just helps save with money. And I mean, honestly, you don't need the whole entire dryer sheet, and so it just makes the box last longer.
If only I had listened for a while.
Okay guys, so I am done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that these tricks and these hacks, they help you out a lot. I know they help me so much, and most of them are tricks that my mom has taught her, and then my mom taught me, and hopefully I will pass it on to my kids. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this, let me know in the comments. I always like to hear from you guys, and I always comment back. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye!